Well, this is my invention that I've come up with because of, my regular steel ramps would hit the bumper before it would come in contact with the tire. And so I made this here. That's a 2x12, 6 foot long, and two 2x10s, 2 foot long. And you see how I got them stacked up there. Also, I drilled and bolted to the right here and right here. I drilled and bolted and mounted those to the board off of my steel ramp so they wouldn't move when the car came in contact with them and slide off and make a mess. So this works real good. I suggest anybody who's got a low car like I do to make you a set of these, because this gets it up high enough you can change the oil and all that, and you'll be glad you did. And it's so easy. Motor's up to temperature now, so I still wasn't up. Still didn't come all the way forward. Let me pull it up a little bit more. Yeah. Cars go away so it can hear me. Can you hear me? All right. So I'm going to explain how we made these ramps. So the car is so low you can't get up under it with regular ramps. You can't even get on the ramp because of the bumper hits here before the tire can get close to the bottom of the ramp. And I really had a need to do this, since I can't trust anybody to change my oil right or mechanics to keep you in a affordable range without, you buying their real estate for them. So just had the dilemma to do that, and Dad helped me out with this thing.
You got that right.
And we're gonna continue and show you more about this. Stay tuned. So these ramps are so easy to use. They're just a little heavy to get going, but all you got to do is line the ramp up and look down the edge of the car and get it even. And you look down the edge of this, down the whole side of the car to the back wheel, you'll have it right. Do that, you do the other side and all that, you could pull all the way up there, and you have a little stop here. You can feel it in the car. It's real easy to feel. And I've never had a problem going up and down these ramps without assistance. But in future videos, I'm going to show you how to build something so you can see all the time anyways. So I hope this video helps you out. And go and get one of these Cracker Swamp t-shirts, please. See you later. Until the next video.
Mm-hmm.